Hey, let's talk about Fast Future Africa once more. Like I said, you just have to open your browser like Google Chrome. You can go to Play Store, you download your browser Google Chrome. You come to the search bar, you type Fast Future Africa. That is Fast Future Africa. Look at the address very well. Fast Future Africa. Okay, so once you are there, if you are still new, just create an account. So you just make sure you fill everything in here and you make sure your email is correct. Before creating an account, you have to create an email address yourself and make sure that somebody sends you an email and you receive that email to make sure your email exists. If not, you have issues with emails. So make sure you have a working email and you can receive messages through that email. You should know the password of the email. And also your phone number should be unique. Use a phone number that is registered with your present ID cards. Because your phone number is the only means of identification and you can't create two accounts with the same phone number. There will be no strenuous or stressful KYC processes. So your phone number is very, very important. So you just fill everything here. You make sure you put in this code, captcha code. Okay. Since I'm already a member, since I have an account already, once I am here, since I am not seeing the login button, I can just click at the top here. You have seen sign in. Look at what is happening. If I click at the top, I scroll a bit. This is sign in. So we are going to adjust the interface for, user flexibility so that it should be easy for you to move around the website. So this is a possibility, or you can close it. You can come to create an account. For now, we will adjust it. Why up here, you take login here. Okay. So if you are already a member, so when I'm there, I will just put my details there, my username or email. I will sign in. So equally, you know that when you are creating an account, they are going to send you a verification code, which you have to check your spam folder. You have to go to your spam folder. So you check what is a spam folder. You check there to put in the verification codes. So let me just log in. So you validate this randomly generated codes. Okay. Now the first thing, ignore this. You have seen that I already have 5,000 francs in my accounts. Do not worry about this. So we are assuming that you have zero balance. So the first thing you need to do when you are on this platform is to click at the top here. You will see deposits. Once you see deposit, you take deposits, you select MTN. You make a deposit of 2,000 francs with MTN. You just put 2,000 francs here. And it will take you to the next step where you have to put in your phone number and you are going to receive a USSD prompt push on your phone where you have to put your mobile money PIN and the rest. And that money will be deducted from your MTN Momo account. Now, once you follow this process and it's successful, after payment, you will be redirected here. It will take you to this place. And for instance, let's assume you deposited 2,000 francs. In here, where you see available balance, you will see 2,000 francs appearing there. So on my case, I have 5,000 francs appearing. So the first thing I need to do, I have to scroll down a little bit. I will see your subscriptions. It says, I have no subscription plan. So the next place you need to go, you click on subscription plans. What do you see? You are seeing just 1 year. This is a one-time non-refundable membership fee. It means you are paying. This is just a membership fee. Once you pay, it is non-refundable and it is not linked to any project. This is not a project. This is just a membership fee. You are a member of the system. So the first thing you need to do, you have to subscribe. Subscribing, it doesn't mean you have paid. So I click on confirm. When you subscribe, it doesn't mean you have paid. It means that you have simply shown interest in the program and you want to become a member. So for each project that we are going to be creating, there are two things you have to do for each project. You first of all have to subscribe. It means once you subscribe, you are a member of the project, and once you pay, it means now you are actually a shareholder of that project. So I will take apply. So once you take apply, it says successful. We scroll down a little bit. Once you scroll down, it says pay with wallet balance, pay with MTN balance. You cannot take pay with MTN balance because you have already done so. You have already made a deposit. And even if you take pay with MTN balance, you make another payment, it is going to be credited to the one that is already on your dashboard, to your wallet balance. So after you have taken that, you say pay with wallet balance. So you can see take pay with wallet balance here. If I click here, it will put 2,000 francs there, and I will take confirm. It is going to pay. And once it is done, it means I have contributed to that particular project. I have paid my membership. So alternatively, let me just show you. Let's skip this place. You can see, go back. Just scroll down a little bit. Once you take subscribe, because it will come back here. This is where we were. This is what you did. After you scroll down and you take subscription, you came to this page, right? Now, the first thing we do, we click on subscribe. Now, it is telling us that this is our current subscription, but we have not paid. So now we see the contribute button. If I click on contribute, it is asking me to now contribute. It means I want to pay for this subscription. So this is another way of paying. Or if I don't want this method, I can see scroll down, I come to my subscription list. I will see the project that I have subscribed to. This is not a project, but a membership fee. I can see scroll down a little bit and take pay with wallets. This is also the second method. So let me go back to the first one, subscription plans. I will scroll down, I will take contribute, I will take confirm. Scroll down a little bit. Ignore this deadline, interest, and the rest. They are all going to be explained to you. We take contribute. So successful. If I scroll down a little bit, I see status contributed. Now, the next place I need to go back, I have to click on my subscription plans. Wow. This one was not there before. If I scroll down a little bit, this is the one that you contributed. And nothing happens. If you click on current subscription, you can no longer click on this project. It is validated. This is your membership fee. You see that these buttons are disabled. They are disabled. This is not the one that is active. If we scroll up a little bit, this is the one that is active. Are you seeing? So we have a sample project, buying a land in a populated area in Yaoundé. Now, we have to explain. The first thing you did, you have already paid. It means you have paid your membership fee. This one, you have paid your membership fee. Now, once you pay, any other project that we are going to be launching, they are going to be appearing here. You simply have to go to subscription plans, you will see them here. So, this is our next project, but this project has not been launched. It is just a sample. That is what we have put sample there. And there is one user, I don't know the name of that user. There is one user, I think that user's name, it was Maka20, yes, Maka 200 and a number. So I will not say that user, the person should know himself. That person subscribed to this project, which is wrong. So that person used 5,000 francs to subscribe to this project. You don't have to subscribe to this project because we have not yet launched this project. So we have to contact that user and we are going to return back the 5,000 francs to the person's account, or if the person wants, it will deposit it to his withdrawal account so that he can withdraw. So this project is not yet launched. That is why you see sample project, buying a land in a populated area in Yaoundé. So when everybody must have subscribed or paid for the one-time membership fee, we now have to discuss on our next possible projects. We can decide to build a school, we can decide to buy a land, we can decide to build an estate, at least 5 floors. That will generate us enough income. Those are the types of projects that we are going to embark on. So I have to explain these projects. This is a sample project and which I need to interpret to you. If you look at this project, we say per user amounts is 5,000, and this project here, you see there is 20,000 francs, a sample project. 20,000 francs. So if we have 20,000 francs, I will say each person has to contribute 5,000. So logically, it means there are four members. Okay? If we have a project of 20,000 francs, I will say each person will contribute 5,000 francs. It definitely means that we have 4 members. And that is why here, you see here that per user amount is 5,000. I will say contributed amount. Somebody has contributed 5,000 francs already. So if somebody contributed 5,000 francs, it means the remaining amount is 15,000. If I scroll down, 15,000. So as people are contributing for this project, you are aware, you will be seeing them here. You see everything. This is a sample project. There is no project that will cost 20,000 francs. I don't know why this person even pays. The interest is 500. So, like I said, for instance, if you have to buy a land, build a house, build a school, I will say, okay, after paying your membership fee, the maximum you will spend for that project is 20,000 francs. It does not mean that you will pay 20,000 francs at once. No. We can say, okay, in 1 week, out of that 20K that you pay, you first of all deposit 3,000 francs. The next week, you will deposit 2,000 francs. Maybe the next week, you deposit 2,000 again. That is how we are going to be paying for each project. So that the load should not be much. Okay? It should not be stressful. Everybody will be capable of participating in such projects. That is how they are going to be paid. In small amounts. So now, once we say, okay, the deadline is, okay, if we have a project that has to start in March, 1st of March, and we are contributing in February, we say, okay, the deadline of this project is the 15th of February. That is the deadline. It's the 15th of February. And we say the project starts on the 1st of February. So it's not up to you. You can be paying in small amounts. You pay 2,000, 1,000, this and this. But before the 15th of February, you should have paid everything. If the 15th of February reaches and you have not paid, 500 francs will be added to what you normally have to pay. That is why you see here, interest, 500 francs for deadline. That's the meaning of interest. So now, once you are not interested in these projects, what you need to do, you have to click on subscribe. I'll click on subscribe. I click confirm. It says apply. Successful. I scroll down. This is the first non-refundable membership fee, which says that I have contributed. I have to scroll down, sample, buying a land. Now it is asking me to pay with a wallet or to pay with MTN. So if the project is announced, I will say, okay, this is our next project, then you will be able to contribute. But now, pay with wallet, I cannot, because my balance is not sufficient, so I cannot pay with the wallets. I can't pay with the wallets. I can't. So if I scroll it down a little bit, I'll take dashboard. My balance is just 30,000 francs, but it's asking me that I need at least 5,000 francs. So here, you see that I have one contribution. It means this is a project where I have actually paid. I paid for membership fee. That is why you see contributions. So contributions means a project where you have paid. While subscription means a project where you are showing interest in. When you show interest in a project, then it is called a subscription. But when you pay, it is called a contribution. So all of these things, they are clickable. If you want to deposit, you click here, you deposit. You want to withdraw, you click here, transaction, this and this. Also, we have referral link. When you invite somebody in this system and that person contributes, you have 1% of it for the meantime. We are going to adjust the amount. Right down here, adjust your transactions, contribution statistics. It says this is a user. You have contributed one time, you have not missed any contribution. Why above here we have, you can click on more. When you click on more, we have security settings where you can update a few things. profile, your referral, you can change passwords, you can even send a support ticket for the meantime. If we're available, we'll reply. Because we'll make things as simple as possible. So once you are done, I think you can go back to your profile, go back, you can log out. So once you log out, you come back to this page, you can click on the logo. This is the front page, so it tells you everything about this project. So now we have to come now together. We will be discussing on Telegram. So please do well to come to Telegram and let's chat. Do not come to Telegram and keep reminding the system of the old administration of how the old system made some users to cry this and this. It is not good. We are taking a step ahead. Please, let's avoid that. Let's avoid that. So please go to Telegram. Let's chat. Let's arrange. We need to put our heads together. We need to discuss how we are going to implement this new project, the next project. After we must have attained up to 10,000 users who have subscribed or paid for the membership fee, we will now start to launch our projects. How are we going to do them? Okay? Where are the targets? The next possible projects, the next places where we are going to buy lands, build houses, we'll discuss. Who are the engineers? Who are the architects? This and this, this and this. Who are going to represent us? Who are going to execute projects? Who are going to carry out the projects? We will discuss. So that is what we need to do. A community. Please. That is, okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much.